Alright, so good morning guys and welcome back to today's video. Feeling very fresh and ready for today's little adventure. The one place that I want to go and see is a place called Wat Paknam, which is a huge giant gold Buddha that towers over the city. It's really, really tall. And it's going to make for some really, really good footage. So I'm hoping to maybe even get the drone up from a distance and get some shots of it. But yeah, apart from that, we're just gonna have a little walk around, try and see some things that we haven't already seen in the city. There is a lot to see, a lot of things to do. Well, coming up in front, we've got another temple called Wat Paknam. I think I'm pronouncing that right. When I get a bit closer, I'll have to show you guys. But again, it's another very stunning temple. In fact, every temple I've seen so far here has just blown me away. That is so majestic. And then in this shop here, you can already see, look, there's so many gold Buddhas. That's incredible. Right, well, we're getting closer to the station now. We've just got a few market stalls and things going on down here by this little canal, which is quite nice. Lots of different things being sold. So, English. And we are going to go to Thapra. And it's 21 bucks. So again, very good price. So there you go again, ticket. And now we're just going to go platform 2. And it's only a few stops, I think. So we shouldn't be on the train too long. Okay, so arrived at the station. Crazy train station though, like right next to it you've got this huge motorway here, literally next to the platform, and in the distance there is a really cool city view, so I'm hoping we'll be able to see that from somewhere. And guys, I've just seen the Buddha statue from here. You can just see it underneath the archway there. How cool is that? That is incredible. So that's actually where we're heading to right now to get a closer look. Just spoken to them at the ticket office just to see what the best way is to get to the statue, and apparently if we go back on the train and do one more stop, it'll take us even closer to it. So the station that she said to go to is called Bangkok. I think it's called Bangkok. So we'll get off at this one here. And then that should take us right over there to the statue. But one good thing, guys, is that the weather is great today. There's been a few thunderstorms in the evenings since I've been here the last 3 days. Well, we're at the next station, and the city skyline from here is just as epic as the other one. And you can just see the top of the head of the statue just there. So we are a lot closer. All right, we're on track out of the station. I think you can get a bus there, but me being me, if I can walk somewhere then I will. So I'm currently just doing that now. It's not too far of a walk either from the station. It's on my map it says it's a 9-minute walk, so really that's fine. That's really straightforward. Honestly, buildings around here just going down these little roads. Another temple just there on these little hidden away streets. Water. Oh, nice. I'll make maybe some coconut water, please. Yeah. Oh, amazing.
Okay, one,
yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Come from
Where you come from?
England. England, yeah.
Speak Thai very good.
A little bit.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Come from
This way.
to
Buddha.
yeah, Big Buddha. Yeah.
This way. Turn left on the bit.
Thank you so much, sir. This way's quicker.
This way. This way.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Come crab.
Come.
Thanks. Oh. Well, there you go, guys. That was nice. I was actually thinking about coconut water today, so I've just bought some from a little stall on the way down, and he's given me information on a shortcut to the temple. That way is apparently really long and hot, and then we've got a little alleyway here. It leads to a little canal, so we'll go down here. Wow, here it is. Here's the canal. That is beautiful. Wow. Look at that bridge. And that temple there, that's stunning. Alright, a little trip over the bridge to get to the Buddha. Wow, that is so nice. Wow. Oh, you can already see the head of the statue. Unbelievable. That is huge. Oh my. That is unbelievable. Wow. And then I think round the side here we've actually got the temple itself, which according to my research it established in the, I think it was like 1690, around 1690 the temple was established. There it is. Oh, truly spectacular, really. So now I'm just going to continue going around. I'm going to see if there's anything else close by on the map. Maybe there's some more temples around or some more cool things to see. I'm thinking about going to this station here, Hua Lampong, 29 baht. The reason that I'm thinking of going here is because it's quite central and I don't think I've been to that area yet. It does look like there's a few things going on around there, so I'm literally just gonna go and see what's there. Alright, now the joys of crossing the madness of these roads here. Crazy. So this temple down here is called Wat Paknam. Again, all of these are very much pronounced wrong, but I'm going to leave the names for them just below. In the middle of the road we have the Chinatown gate. Wow, there it is. Unbelievable, really. Such intricate details. It looks like you need a ticket maybe to enter, but again behind me, got the stairs leading up to it. It just looks phenomenal. Wow. Oh no, thank you. The elephant is a very symbolic symbol as well of Thailand. As you can see, it's over a lot of the clothing, but it's very, very beautiful. Even on these bags you've got little elephants on there as well. It's really nice. We have got one more spot that we can go to. There's a roundabout and there's a centerpiece in the roundabout and it's meant to be really, really nice, and it's not too far from here. Right, I've almost made it to the roundabout, but we've got a rolling marble here. That's just outside a bank. It's not exactly like a crazy tourist attraction, but yeah, just never seen a marble rolling on water like that before. I made it to the roundabout. Now, it doesn't look like much from here, but we're going to go into the centre and have a proper look. Well, I made it across. You just kind of have to hope for the best and just cross when it's quiet. because there's no zebra crossings that go to the centre, but obviously you can come here, so here it is. It's just like a giant roundabout really, with a fountain in the middle. You can see there, big fountain. It is all about perspective, right? So the reason I've come in here is to get my drone up and show you what it looks like from above, because everything always looks different and sometimes better from above as well, because you're getting a different perspective and you can appreciate the design and stuff. So on the next clips I'm going to show you guys the view from the top. Well, I hope you enjoyed them clips of the awesome roundabout from above. I'm actually very happy with how they came out. I think they're really, really cool. But now it's actually looking a little bit dark in the sky, so it looks like it might rain soon. But just down this walkway where I'm going now, it will bring me to a river. So we'll quickly have a little look at that. And then I think it's going to be time to make a very swift journey back before we get hit by some rain. You can see these little greeny blue coloured bridges, and we've got another one just over there as well. So yeah, it's a pretty nice area actually. I like it here. Well guys, that does now bring me then to the end of this video. So I hope you enjoyed another little walk around of some other additional places here in Bangkok. It just proves that there is so much to see, so many little places you can go. My only recommendation is take the metro where you can, because it's very quick and easy and cheap to get around the city. Hopefully these videos give you some indication and some help when traveling around the city. But as always, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for new videos coming every week. So as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.